Okay, this is the part 2 for the programming of the pressure switch. So it is important to note the type of pressure switch that you're using and is it correct, to make sure that is the correct manual we're using for it and the correct settings. So QPSL-AP-42, just double check on here to make sure it's the same type. Right, so you see this here. That means same model number. That's what we're using. This one have a couple models there, so you have these models for different type of models here. So we're dealing with this model, and you see with this model here, different models have different pressure ranges. So this is the one we're dealing with, minus 14.5 to 14.5 psi. If you mistake them, you could accidentally put full pressure up to 145 psi on this and destroy it. So we have to make sure that the rated pressure, the model, correct model, is what we're dealing with. First thing, you make sure that you have the correct model and you're looking at the correct thing for the specs on it. Number one. Second thing, we're looking at the power supply. Go to the wiring and you will see that this is input power to this is 10 to 24 volts DC. Right, so you have a range 10 to 24 DC you could put. We would be using the black output one. So positive here, input is your brown, the negative is the blue, and we'll be using our black signal output. Alright, that's for the wiring. These are important things to note before you start the installation. Also, we're using output 1, so output 1 high set point, so using only for output 1 high, output 1 low. So the low one high, or the high here would be 10 psi, set point low would be 1, and the set point for our window is 9, so the window is 9 to 10, and we also set a low point, so when it cut off, it would run down to that value. Also at this setting here on it, this is the quick setup and this is the modes you'll be using. These are different settings you'll have to put for it to work properly. Alright, so this is how you set it. Well, it mentioned it in the how to set it, right? So it mentioned it in the changing modes here. Yeah, the whole long set. You hold a long set for a couple of seconds. Right, so this way you get the information on how to navigate through it, right? Changing modes. I'll just navigate through it quick. Hold on this. Right now, when you go into this, ensure that you have no air pressure on it when you're going into it. Take off your air supply, make sure you just powered only, no air to it, and you will be into your quick setup mode here. Right? So for quick setup, you want to go to this last setting here, and I already set it to that, so you can navigate through it. This there is mode different. Right, you will go through the modes. same as that. Set it. Put the other value here, as it will not come already set, so you'll have to navigate using these up and down buttons and then set it. Right, when you finish set all, you hold it down for 4 seconds and you go into this mode here, into the run mode, to set your values here. One high, one low. So mine is already set. It's already 1L, it's already set. 1 low is already set to 1. Right? Too high is 12, 11.5. Low is 9, so you can just navigate through and carry it down or carry it up, wherever I want to set it to. That is basically the settings, right? How to navigate through the settings. Alright, and when you finish, then you could put back up your air supply and start it from 0 and keep gradually open up all, gradually open until you reach a set point. Alright, so that is basically it for setting it up. Go through the parameters and set it up just as how this one set up, and you'll have no problems with this instrument.